Whether you're a curious gamer new to Roblox or someone who's been wanting to create an account but felt intimidated, don't worry. This video will walk you through the entire process, making it a breeze to set up your account and start playing in no time. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. It will help us a lot. Thank you. The first step for creating an account on Roblox on Android is to download the Roblox app. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for Roblox. Find the official Roblox app by Roblox Corporation and tap Install to download and install it. As you wait, you can help us by liking the video. Thank you so much. After the installation is done, tap on Open on the Roblox app. Tap Sign Up. Select your birthday and tap Confirm Birthday. Choose a unique and memorable username for your account. Create a strong password that you can remember easily. Make sure you choose a strong and unique password for your account. Don't share your password with anyone. Choose your gender. After that, tap on Sign Up. You have now created an account on Roblox on your Android device. Before we start playing on the game, it is better to add an email or a phone number. I will tap Add Email. Write the email and tap Continue. Now, after you have added the email, you need to confirm the email. I will just open Gmail and tap on the link sent by email. Once your account is created and verified, you can start exploring the world of Roblox. Browse through the vast library of games. Choose one that catches your eye and start playing. Now that you have your Roblox account set up on your Android device, it's time to start exploring the endless possibilities of the platform. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.